Hi, in this video we're going to review how to import a template from Canvas Commons. So here I am on my dashboard. I'm going to come over here and start a new course. You may have done this already. And I'm going to call it Essential Elements or PreK Template Course. Okay. You want to make sure you have a name of your course that you're going to keep, because once you create it, you can't change it. So now I'm going to come over here to Import from Commons over on the right. And we're going to activate some filters. So click on Filter. You're going to go to the bottom and find Salt Lake City Schools. And then we're going to come in here in the search bar, and since Amy was kind enough to create this filter, create this template, we're going to search by her name. And you can see, here it is. So we can open it up and preview, but we already know we want to use this because we previewed it previously. And we'll come over here to Import Download, and we're going to tell it which course to bring it into. So the one I just created was EE4. So here's the course I want to bring that template into. Go down to the bottom, Import into Course. That's it. Now you can begin building your content using Amy Firestone's template. Thanks, Amy.